This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vicki Marsh. Single-family condo living at 841 CHALMERS dining room. Means low maintenance and high enjoyment for you. Located in St. Andrews Park at the Plantation Golf and Country Club with easy access to I-75, the many beaches of the Gulf Coast, airports, shopping, and medical facilities. The southern-facing screened lanai overlooks one of the community lakes where you can enjoy watching the many birds come and go throughout the day and evening. The primary bedroom also has entry door to the screened lanai, a large walk-in closet to let your wardrobe breathe, and includes a bay window overlooking the lake as well. The third bedroom can be used as an office/den space and has sliding pocket doors. This home's tile roof was replaced in 2021 along with the HVAC system. Other updates include wood-look tile floors in living areas including the bedrooms and master bathroom remodel. A one-owner home that has been cared for is now ready for a new owner who will also enjoy all that this home has to offer. The Plantation Golf and Country Club has different levels of membership of golf, tennis and/or social, and are not mandatory. St. Andrews HOA fee included in quarterly condo fees. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicki Marsh at 941-556-2150.